Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a headlight bulb. First, gather your tools: a new bulb, a screwdriver, and some gloves. Always make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental burns. Checking your owner's manual for the exact bulb type and specific instructions is also a smart first step. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. Open your hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few retaining clips or screws to access it fully. Once you have clear access, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Be careful not to pull on the wires too hard, as they can be delicate. With the old bulb exposed, carefully twist or unclip it to remove it from its housing. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic or metal base. Avoid touching the glass part, as oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. Now, insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure it's seated firmly and correctly. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb and secure any covers or clips you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is snug and in place. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. If it doesn't light up, recheck your connections. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.